Handheld vacuums are a great option if you're looking to clean small spills around the home. They're lightweight and portable, and due to their small size, they're handy when tackling more difficult or uneven terrain like inside your car or on your stairs. Some stick or canister vacuums also have a handheld configuration, making them even more versatile if you need to clean larger areas. Unfortunately, handheld vacuums tend to have small dirt compartments if they're cordless. They may also have a shorter, continuous battery life than non-handheld vacuums. The Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus is a small handheld vacuum. It has an outstanding performance on all surface types. It also comes with a turbo brush that has a self-cleaning brush roll to help tackle hair wraps while you clean. However, its dirt compartment is somewhat small. It has a subpar battery life of around 10 minutes and is advertised to take approximately 6 hours to charge, although we could fully recharge it under 2.5 hours. That said, it's a suitable choice for spot cleaning around your home. The Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus is mediocre for pets. It's quite portable, so you can carry it around to wherever you may need it. It also comes with a turbo brush with a self-cleaning brush roll, so you don't have to worry about hair wraps. This attachment doesn't provide enough surface agitation to clear away pet hair stuck on upholstery or on carpets. The Shark Ultra Cyclone is available in several different variants, which differ in color, included attachments, and motor wattage. The Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus is a well-built handheld vacuum. It's made entirely out of plastic, but it feels mostly durable. While the dust bin feels sturdy, the dust cup has a flimsy plastic frame with a cloth attached, which feels a little cheap. However, this vacuum is very easy to assemble. This vacuum is easy to maintain dust cup. This part can be emptied by clicking the button near the vacuum head and be removed entirely if you press the button on the bottom of its body. Take the dust cup filter. You can remove this part by pulling it from the dust cup by its plastic frame. The manufacturer suggests tapping this filter to dislodge dirt and debris from the cloth. This vacuum has a subpar battery performance. It lasts just over 10 minutes, which is significantly less than the iRobot H1 when used in its least powerful suction mode. So you need to work quickly when cleaning up a mess. This vacuum has a power button on top of its handle, making it easy to turn on and off. However, unlike the Wise handheld vacuum, it lacks any sort of suction power adjustment feature. This vacuum does an excellent job of dealing with debris on hard floors when used with its turbo brush, though you need to keep the vacuum at a fairly shallow angle so that this attachment can collect larger debris like rice or cereal, and also for cleaning high-pile carpet. The Black Plus Decker Seeking 60V Max Dust Buster Cordless Hand Vacuum is the best cordless handheld vacuum at a budget-friendly price point that we've tested. It doesn't feel as sturdy as the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus build-wise and is a little bulkier. But it has a few advantages, aside from its lower price tag, like its dustbin, which is even bigger. The Black Decker's replacement filters are also less expensive than those for the Shark. It excels when it comes to sucking up debris on hard surfaces like countertops or hard wood floors. And it does a good job of dealing with debris and cracks and crevices thanks to a built-in crevice tool. The Black Plus Decker Dust Buster hand vacuum is excellent for cleaning bare floors. It cleans almost everything on this surface. However, if you have a very big mess to clean up, it can take a while. Its battery lasts around 10 minutes and its small dirt compartment needs frequent emptying. That said, its maintenance is fairly easy, which is nice. There are a few variants of this vacuum which differ slightly. The Black Plus Decker Dustbuster hand vacuum feels quite well built overall. Although it's entirely made out of plastic, the quality feels good. The dustbin has a bit of flex, so it won't break easily, but the plastic frame could crack if dropped. The paper-thin filter also feels prone to rips or tears if you're not careful when cleaning it. Thankfully, the vacuum is very easy to assemble and take apart, so you won't have too many issues. The Black Plus Decker Dustbuster hand vacuum is fairly easy to maintain overall. This handheld vacuum has a simple design, so there aren't very many parts you have to maintain. The plastic pre-filter and cloth filter both need to be washed with soapy water from time to time. Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Hand V8 vacuum's battery performance is disappointing. It only takes about 8-9 minutes for it to start noticeably losing power, and at the 10-minute mark, it simply stops working, which isn't very long. It also takes nearly 4 hours to charge, which is quite a while, but within what the company advertises. The Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Hand Vacuum is a simple vacuum. You can rotate the vacuum head to make it easier to reach corners at a certain angle, and the power button is conveniently placed. However, there are no additional features. This vacuum does a fantastic job of dealing with debris on hard surfaces. It easily lifts away fine debris like sand and medium-sized debris like rice, not to mention larger material like cereal. However, you'll have to hold the vacuum at a pretty shallow angle to ensure any bulky debris doesn't get bunched up at the front or rear of the suction inlet. This is a pretty noisy vacuum, generally speaking. If you want to avoid annoying people nearby, it's best to use it in an enclosed space. If you prioritize portability above all else, the Bissell AeroSlim Turbo Slim is among the best cordless handheld vacuums we've tested. It's a different type of handheld vacuum compared to something like the Shark Ultra Cyclone Pet Pro Plus or the Black Plus Decker 16V Max Dustbuster. Cordless hand vacuum with a very compact body, a little smaller than a 2-liter bottle of soda. That small form factor makes it easy to carry around or stow away when not in use, but its design has downsides. It has a small, weak suction motor that struggles to lift heavier debris away. It also has a tiny dirt compartment that fills quickly bulky debris. Can also clog its suction nozzle, and debris can fall out of the dustbin and back out the suction inlet if you overfill it. However, it's ideal for quick cleanups of small, lightweight debris on hard surfaces like countertops, shelves, or even tile and hardwood floors. The Bissell AeroSlim is amazing for cleaning the inside of your car. Its cordless design and included crevice tool extension wand should allow you to clean tight spots inside your car. It's decently effective when it comes to cleaning pet hair, as well as material like sand and baking soda from low-pile carpet. There are 2 variants of this vacuum, though they differ only in name and color. The Bissell AeroSlim is well built, while its dirt compartment feels a little flimsy. The rest of the vacuum is made of sturdy-feeling plastic. It has a very simple design that makes disassembly and reassembly very intuitive, and it can be used out of the box. This vacuum has a simple design that makes it easy to access the few parts that require maintenance dirt compartment. The dirt compartment can be detached by twisting it clockwise from the main body of the vacuum before emptying it of debris or washing it under warm water with mild dish soap. You should remove the filters inside filters. The lint screen protects the main filter inside the dirt compartment. You can twist the lint screen clockwise to separate it from the main filter. The lint screen and filter can be washed under warm water with mild dish soap when you notice a decline in performance. This vacuum's battery performance is mediocre. It supplies roughly 13 minutes of continuous runtime and features 3 indicator lights on its main body that gradually blink out as its charge level drops. Despite its short runtime, it takes about 3 hours to completely recharge, which is unfortunate. It can be recharged via a micro USB cable attached to a household outlet via an adapter. However, it should be noted that the vacuum doesn't come with a USB charging adapter for wall outlets. The Bissell AeroSlim is a basic vacuum with no extra features except for an easily accessible on-off button. The Bissell AeroSlim delivers unremarkable performance on bare floors, while it does a fantastic job of cleaning pet hair and small debris such as rice on this kind of surface. It struggles significantly more with bulkier material. Debris like pieces of cereal can get stuck at the entry of the vacuum and block it almost completely, preventing it from picking up any more material. This vacuum's performance on low-pile carpet is satisfactory. It sucks up pet hair without much of an issue and does a reasonably good job of picking up coarser material like sand. The Shark WandVac is a cordless handheld vacuum compared to the Shark UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus. It's a lighter, more compact option with a more fashion-forward design that's a little more stylish than the norm. It delivers relatively strong debris pickup performance and is somewhat effective in sealing in allergens. However, its tiny dirt compartment, short battery life, and small selection of attachments do limit its overall versatility. The Shark WandVac is decent for dealing with debris on bare floors. It has no issue sucking up pet hair and small debris, but bulky material can clog the entry to its dustbin. Thankfully, it feels sturdily built, is easy to maintain, and incurs almost no recurring costs. Unfortunately, it has a short battery life and a tiny dirt compartment even for a handheld vacuum, so it's best suited for very quick cleanups. There are currently two main variants of this vacuum, which differ only in terms of included attachments. We can't say if the WV200 series performs similarly due to its differently configured combination tool. The Shark WandVac feels well built. His body is made of sturdy-feeling hard plastic, although its removable clear plastic dustbin feels like it could break if you drop it. The vacuum itself requires no assembly out of the box. This vacuum has a simple design that's very easy to maintain. There are a few parts that need to be taken care of. Regularly dirt compartment. You can remove the dirt compartment by pressing a release button on the top of the vacuum and then pressing a separate yellow button on the dustbin itself. Though it can be a bit tough to slide at free filters, so the fabric filter is located in the pre-filter housing, which is inside the dustbin. You can clean both the pre-filter and fabric filter of debris by tapping them against the side of a garbage can. You can also clean the fabric filter underwater. This vacuum's battery performance is subpar. If the vacuum is run continuously, its battery will drain in under 10 minutes, meaning you need to work quickly while clearing larger messes. There's also no way of modulating its suction power with no low power mode to help conserve charge. Yeah, this vacuum doesn't have any additional quality of life features. If you're looking for a handheld vacuum that allows you to adjust suction power, consider the Black Plus Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Plus Pet, which has a more powerful boost mode for dealing with particularly stubborn debris. This vacuum does a fantastic job of dealing with debris on hard surfaces. It easily lifts away medium-sized and bulky debris like rice or cereal, though you might have to make another pass to clear away large amounts of finer debris like sand. This vacuum delivers good performance on high-piled carpet. You'll probably have to make more than one pass to fully clear away finer debris pressed into carpet fibers. But it's quite good at dealing with medium and large debris like rice or cereal. This vacuum's pet hair cleaning performance on low-pile carpet is mediocre. Even when used with its multi-surface pet tool, it tends to smear shorter, lighter strands of hair around without lifting up more heavily enmeshed hair.